Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Nancy Wansila. So today's video is all about parenthood. So guys, today we are going for our very first Parents Day meeting. It's actually orientation. Yeah, tulipeleka watoto shule kama parents. Let's say wale wenye ni mara ya kwanza, like for our case, then tukawachia walimu wako uko. So they've been with the teachers for I think it's about 2 weeks or so. Sasa walimu wamewaelewa nini, at least wamezoea environment ya shule. So far so good. So we are going for the orientation, ndo tuwaelezewe how kuna vitu zenye I'm expecting kuna vitu zenye wanaenda kutuambia. So let's go tuone tutaambiwa vipi ama utakuwa vipi. And we are here.
It is a time, alright? So I hope you are ready to learn. You are ready to interact with the teachers as they're going to take us through. Please don't sleep, don't play with your phone.
They'll do a lot of activities relating to sound S. Not only S, but we have other sounds along the tongue. We use dual phonics in our school when it comes to introducing to the sounds. Sound S. From the dot, round, sound back. That's how you write sound S. And when it's sound 2, it's supposed to start from the red line. From the dot, down, a swing, and a cut.
So guys, we are done. Let's go and pick the baby now. Say hi. Hi. And so guys, we are done with the orientation. Mtu wangu ni huyu hapa. Sasa nataka kulala. We are done. So at least tumejua what's happening at school, whatever we should be doing at home. Maybe tusaidie watu indo waweze catch up haraka. So that was it guys. So thank you guys for watching the video. Remember to subscribe, like and comment. Bye.